Hello, in this video we will look at the zero product principle. If the product of x times y equals to 0, then either x equals to 0 or y equals to 0. So let's check this. Let's use the first solution of x equals to 0 and let's plug it in into x times y equals to 0, and instead of x we use 0. This will give us 0 times y equals to 0. 0 times y, or 0 times anything, gives us 0, and 0 is equal to 0, so this checks out. And the second solution we had, y is equal to 0, so let's plug it in into x times y equals to 0, and instead of y we're going to substitute 0. This will produce x times 0 equals to 0. X times 0, 0 multiplying anything gives us a product of 0, so we get 0 equals to 0, so this checks out. So let's solve a times parentheses b plus 4 equals to 0. According to this principle, to solve this completely, we can separate this at the product because it's equal to 0 and say a equals to 0 or b plus 4 equals to 0. So a is already in the form of a solution. We need to solve for b. We have b plus 4 equals to 0, so let's minus 4 on both sides, and we get b is equal to negative 4. Let's check. Let's plug in a equals to 0 into a times b plus 4 equals to 0, and instead of a we plug in 0. Now 0 times anything gives us a product of 0, and we have 0 equals to 0. But you can also distribute this 0 first and have 0 times b plus 0 times 4, and it will still equal to 0 because 0 times b gives us 0 plus 0 times 4 gives us 0. That is also equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0. That checks out. Let's check b equals to negative 4 by plugging it into the a times b plus 4 equals to 0. And instead of b, we plug in negative 4. This will give us a times negative 4 plus 4 equals to 0. We get a times negative 4 plus 4 additive inverses. They add up to 0. And this is equal to 0. a times 0, anything times 0 gives us 0 is equal to 0. So the second solution checks out as well. That's all.